Hey there, it's Bob. Welcome to Launchpad. I'm gonna do a quick little video today, so to go along with my email. Just want to welcome you on board. This is really powerful stuff. It just may be a wee bit overwhelming. You're looking over the dashboard. Oh my God, how am I gonna go through all this stuff? That's why I'm here today. I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna teach you that we do small bites. And then we take our time. And if you need to watch a video 2-3 times, do it. Do it before you go to the next one. Make sure you got a clear understanding what you're doing and what's your next step. So in the meantime, I'm going to flip my phone around here in a minute and I'm going to help you out. And we're going to give you a little brief tutorial of Launchpad on the training dashboard. So I'll be right back. So I'm back. So here we are. We're looking at the dashboard. It's going to say Launch You in the top left-hand corner. On this side, you're going to see it right there. It's got to say Close Beta. If it doesn't say Close Beta, it must. If it says Open Beta, then you are in Launchpad 1.0. Terrific learning. I went through it as all the training modules. There was 6 modules, 10 lessons for each module for a total of 60 training lessons. So I went through that in about 3 months. Every night I came home and worked 1 to 2 hours on it and got through it. Within 3 months, I had a YouTube ad up and running on Facebook already. So we go back, make sure you click it, and it says Close Beta. That's what it must say. And then you'll see the 9 dots, which stands for the red is launch, red is prepare, green is launch, and blue is grow. Launch, or prepare, launch, and grow. So on the far right-hand side, it's going to say, Hey Bob. It's going to actually be your name. This is Odyssey. That's the name of the AI support. It's totally programmed for this. It's there to help you with any question, any stumbling block you come across. It's going to help you with it. Your first mission, besides checking all this stuff out, these are the videos you're going to start watching. There's 5 of them. Watch all 5. Watch each one a couple times. And Stuart's going to walk you through and teach you all the stuff that's going to be in here. Down here on the bottom, you got a little green bubble. It's going to say your name, of course, and then welcome to the Launch You Support Center. This is live support, and you can get support. They'll answer all your questions. Then a couple other things down here on the bottom. Get my cursor to go over here. We're going to go down to, and this is, get my phone to settle down. So you have a Launchpad mentors group. You can join that one. Lots of help on it. You're gonna you make sure you book your free consultation call today. You can also join these other 2 communities down here if you want. Get my cursor to cooperate here. It's not hard to do this with one hand. Sorry about that. So accountability in action, which will keep you motivated and going. You can embark on your 90-day video journey. Just check out all these ones. Everyone, open it up. And if you join Modern Wealthy Facebook group, it's a private group. So you can get on there, post all your questions. Nobody will know you're there. Your neighbors, your kids, your family members, they won't never see you. But it's there to help you and support because you've got other members out there going through the same things you're going through. Same learning curves. If you get a question, you get stumped, join the group. That's what it's for. So in the meantime, I don't want to bore you too much more. Take your time. Get through the first 5 videos. See if you can get started on your first module. And I'm going to see you in a week. And I'll give you back. So here I am back again. So in the meantime, do the best you can. Take your time. Don't get overwhelmed. See the big picture. This is why you're here. What are your goals? What are you trying to achieve? Because what happens if you don't? You don't want that. You want to have the life you always imagined. And on that note, you have a great week. Bye-bye.